Hello there. We're adding two-digit numbers today. But first, these questions might help us get ready. Pause the video to have a go. How did you get on with those? First of all, we've got 5 plus 3 and 4 plus 4. Both of these equal 8. And then we've got some tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens. 8 tens. Slightly different this time. Instead of 4 tens plus 4 tens, we've got 4 tens plus 3 tens. 7 tens. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. To start off today, I'd like you to have a go at question 1 on the worksheet. Pause the video to have a go. So 43 plus 21. Let's get our base 10 out. We've got 4 tens plus 3 ones and 2 tens plus 1 one. Let's start with our ones. And how are we going to record this? I know we've got 2 tens and ones numbers, so I'm writing out tens and ones, and I'll also have tens and ones in my answer. The first ones digit is 3. The second ones digit is 1. This is really important. I slide my base 10 together, so I can see we have 4 all together. Now I look at my tens, and again I slide the base 10 together. So I had 4 tens plus 2 tens, and altogether now I have 6 tens. Here I have 17 plus 32. Let's slide that base 10. The ones go together. We always do our ones first. That isn't clear at the moment, but in our next lesson we're going to cross 10, and doing the ones first will be really important. So for good practice, we'll do the ones first today too. There's 9 ones, and then our tens, slide them all together, and we've got 4 tens. Okay, you should be all set to have a go at question 2 on the worksheet. 46 plus 13 is equal to 59. We're going to look at how we set this out in column method. First of all, let's think about our tens and ones. They're all going to come together on top of each other. 46 comes below the tens and ones, showing 4 tens and 6 ones. Our plus symbol comes down because we're doing an addition, and our 13 sits underneath the 46, making sure the 1 10 is in the tens column and the 3 ones is in the ones column. Our equal sign comes down and is drawn underneath our second number. And then our answer, 59, sits within that equal sign, making sure 9 ones in the ones column and 5 tens in the tens column. This is what column method looks like. Here it is on squared paper, 26 plus 22. Can you see how the 6 ones and the 2 ones are all in the ones column, and the 2 tens and the 2 tens are in the tens column? The first thing we need to do is get everybody some equipment. Let's use base 10. 2 tens and 6 ones for 26, 2 tens and 2 ones for 22. Now I need to slide the base 10 together. Shall I do the tens first or the ones first? Of course, we need to do the ones first. There are 8 ones altogether, and there are 4 tens altogether. 26 plus 22 is equal to 48. It's your turn. have a go at questions 3 and 4 on the worksheet. And remember, let's do those ones first. Mo has 15 carrots and Dora has 12 more carrots than Mo. Let's have a look at Mo and Dora. Aha! Okay, Mo, 15 carrots. Let's draw Mo's 15 carrots. That's maybe not a very efficient way of doing the maths, is it? How about I draw a bar and inside the bar I write 15? Yes. Okay, let's go back to the question. Mo has 15 carrots. I can see his 15 carrots in that bar. Dora has 12 more carrots than Mo. So Dora must have 15 as well. And then 12 more. Let's just check that. Mo has 15. Dora has 12 more than Mo. Yes, I can see that in my bar model. Now I've got my squared paper, I can do some calculating. I'm always going to use tens and ones. I'm going to do 15 plus 12. This is going to tell me how many carrots Dora has. Oh yes, I must use a ruler to draw my equal sign. Okay, I need some base 10. Let's do the ones first. 5 ones plus 2 ones. Slide them together. 7 ones. And now let's look at the tens. 1 10 plus 1 10. Slide them together. 2 tens. 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. Dora has 27 carrots. I could use this method to work out how many carrots there are altogether. Do you want to have a go at that? It's now your turn to have a go at questions 5 and 6 on the worksheet. You should be all set, so good luck. Core, has Tiny been walking in the paint again? How are we going to work out how many tens there are? Let's get some base 10 to represent it. First of all, let's check the ones. 5 ones plus 2 ones. Ah yes, 7 ones. And now the tens. How many tens will I need? Ah, there are 8 tens. This is how they appear in the answer. But how were they partitioned in the question? Do you think it was 4 tens plus 4 tens? It could have been. Could it have been anything else? Maybe it was 1 10, so 15 plus 72. That's equal to 87. Maybe it was 2 tens, 25 plus 62. This is a good way of finding out all the possibilities. I'm being systematic. Maybe it was 8 tens, so 85, plus no tens, just 2. 85 plus 2 is 87. Why don't you write down all of the possibilities? How will you know when you've got them all? How did you get on with that then? Did you find all 9 possibilities? Now it's time to have a go at question 7 and 8 on the worksheet. You may need to compare numbers on the worksheet. Do you remember looking at the inequality signs in a previous lesson? We've got less than, equal to, and greater than.